Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back again with my YouTube channel. My name is Carmila. My NPM is 202112500094. This is the lesson 5, Speaking Academic. Describe a subject taught in your school. Who teach it? How is taught? What do you learn from the class? Answer: I choose to speak about English language, including tenses, and identify 8 parts of speech. It's been my favorite subject since I started it on junior high school. Up to now, I have learned English because my major in the campus is English education. So, I have many English teacher or lecturer. In the last 3 years, my teacher name has been teaching tenses. She's a woman of 30 years old and has a great knowledge and experience. I have to schedule of subject English language and English conversation. The classes are interesting and full challenge. We often do exercise and solve problem on the whiteboard and in our exercise books. Sometimes the teacher uses a projector as well as a computers. When we learn rules or theories, the teacher first explains, provides many examples, and the same day or the following classes she expects us to do understanding structured tenses or presentation of the material. Twice or more times a semester, she holds various contents and competition, which help us with additional knowledge. Even if homework assignment and exams on this subject are pretty demanding and take up most of my time, I am very attracted to it and enjoy every class on to not miss any class. So far, I have learned a lot on the subject, and I think this knowledge will be an asset in my future study in English education and my career as a teacher or lecturer. Describing a skill you want to learn. What is recycling? Recycling is a process of converting waste material that would usually be thrown away into new material and object. Recycling waste residues, the amount of harmful materials produced and residues energy usage, therefore benefiting the environment. What thing it is important recycling? Recycling it is important thing because the process of collecting and reusing materials that we would usually have thrown away with the rest of our rubbish. By recycling, we can minimize the number of harmful pollutants in the atmosphere by making sure these materials are kept away from landfills, which produce a lot of greenhouse gases. The main thing that we recycle are paper and card, glasses, plastic, metals such as aluminum and steel. You can also help minimize the amount of food waste that ends up in the landfills by composting fruits, vegetables, and any other dead plants. How we learn about recycling? We can learn about recycling by reading books, looking for websites on Google, opening YouTube, the ways and steps for recycling, and information obtained from teachers, family, or maybe in the surrounding environment. What the role recycling will play in this life? There are a lot of great reasons as to the role recycling will play in this life, including number 1, recycling converts ratios. When we recycle our waste, it is turned into new things. This means that we don't have to use up more and more natural resources making new products. Instead, we can use old recycled material to create new products. A lot of water bottles are recycled, and you can even get notebook made out of old tires. Number 2, Recycling saves energy. Using recycled material in the manufacturing process takes up a lot less energy than it does to use newly sourced materials. Number 3. Recycling helps to protect the environment. Recycling means we don't have to gather new raw materials, which causes water and air pollution. Recycling also saves energy, which means it also reduces greenhouse gas emissions, which help to combat climate change. Number 4. Recycling reduces landfill. Everything you don't recycle will end up in a landfill. Some material can take hundreds, if not thousands, of years to decompose. The more we recycle, the less material ends up in landfill. Number 5. Recycling can reduce your carbon footprint. Everything we do on this planet leaves a trace. Recycling can help to reduce the amount of damage we'll do the environment. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. See you later.